Page 329, Simple Gifts. It's the same little melody we've been using with the other modes. Now we get to hear it in a Phrygian mode. Because if you look at it, you think, okay, two flats, that would be B flat major or G minor here. But when you look at it, it's got D minors all over the place. And that's, how can this be in a D minor with two flats? Well, glad you asked. What we do is you take a D major scale. Start with a major scale. And here, because we want to take 4 sharps away, that has 2 sharps. D major has 2 sharps, so we take those away, but we have to add 2 flats. And that's where you get the key signature, 2 flats. So this is in a D Phrygian. Here, 2 flats, and it's here. Weird or what? It's kind of neat. Depends on how much wine or beer I've had to drink, but we'll see. Now the chords are just regular chords. You just play them. D minor, F with a C on the bottom. Well, the F is here, put the C on the bottom. And then we have an E flat, which is here, but they want the B flat on the bottom. And then back to an F with an A on the bottom. And then back to the D minor. Now just a regular E flat. D minor, E flat, C minor, D minor. Okay, put them together. Let's hear what this mess sounds like as we got here. Has a certain mood to it, huh? Kind of like a nice horror movie or something. They're saying block chords. You don't have to do that. You can use these other patterns. Measure 6, I don't have a chord on the last note, the last beat of that measure. That's a pickup. You remember I didn't have a chord on the pickup at the beginning, so I can get away with this here. So I just don't, the A is by itself is what I'm saying. In measure 6, the last note, no chord, I'm just doing that. It doesn't say in C. You could leave that down, but just for interpretive purposes, I'm going to lift it up. So that pickup beat is by itself. And I could have done that on measure 4 too, that pickup beat. I could have had that pickup beat by itself. So starting with measure 3, we're here. So I can do a pickup beat, all of these with no chord if I choose to. Since I didn't have a pickup or a chord at the beginning, a lot of pieces will do that. There's no rule says one way or the other. It's just interpretation. It's your improvisation. I'm giving you ideas to try things out. What about that Alberti bass thing? Just try different things out. Then mix it up, try different things out. Let me know if you have questions. That's about all I have to say on this.